Telling us about how the fireworks down in AC were also by the Gucci brothers who did the New York show.
Oh yeah, the Gucci's. Ooh, don't forget to ooh and ah. This is a nice one though. Ah. YouTube.
Video.
So, see the lights on top of the purple lights that are over there? Is that high? Yeah.
That's cleaning your poop out the sewers.
Right, that's what I thought it was. That's all new though. They built that in the last few years.
Yeah. All over there before.
This self-storage building isn't blocking the ones that's that way. I remember the year we went to Roosevelt Island, right?
I never went to Roosevelt Island.
Well, that wasn't me. I went with someone else, not you. So is that all on tape?